Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower in.
Hi guys, good day everyone. We have here total of 300 pieces of pastil and this is all for pamigay project natin. And the 200 pieces is from Kuya JJ of City, USA. Birthday po kasi ng daughter niya na si Pia. Kaya Ma'am Pia, happy birthday po. And kay Kuya JJ, maraming salamat din Kuya. Sa 100 pieces is from Sir Fran Ong. Ayan, birthday naman niya ng last November 5. Ayun, happy birthday po sir. And maraming salamat po. This is total of 300 pieces of pastil and tara, samahan silang mamigay. Let's go.
Salamat po.
Kanin.
Salamat po. Ngayon lang po.
Can I call you Rose?
Salamat po.
Cause you're flowing.
Ano po ito? Suman? Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Can I call you Rose?
Salamat po. Pagkain po.
Pastil.